Hey guys, it's Chris at Highline Guitars, and it's time for a Luthier's quick tip.
If you'd like to help support this channel, visit eguitarplans.com and buy a plan. Now on with the video. For this week's quick tips for luthiers, I'm going to put together one of these cheap Amazon guitar stands. At any given time in my workshop, I can have up to a couple of dozen guitars in various stages of assembly. As a result, I need a place to store them while I'm working on them. Now, some of the guitars I can hang from the ceiling while the finish is curing, but when I'm doing my final assembly and setup, I like to have a stand near my workbench where I can store the guitars. Now, in the past, I've used PVC pipe to make my own guitar stands, but it looks kind of cheesy. And I recently found a guitar stand on Amazon, which, as it turns out, is cheaper to purchase than it is to make a PVC pipe guitar stand. So I decided I would go ahead and purchase one of these stands. Now, I'll put a link in the description below to the one that I purchased. But what's really cool about this stand is you can purchase stands in different sizes. So if you only need a small stand to hold like 3 guitars, you can get one of those. Or you can get one that'll hold up to 9 guitars and, anywhere in between. So for this particular project, I decided to purchase the stand that will hold 7 guitars. And that's what I'm assembling here. Now, as you'll notice, assembly goes pretty quick. It takes maybe 10 minutes to assemble it, from opening the box to placing guitars on the rack. And assembly, like I said, is really easy and doesn't require any kind of special tools. You just need to screw everything together with your fingers. It's that simple. The frame itself is made out of steel, and wherever a guitar will come in contact with the frame, it's covered with a soft black neoprene. And the total weight of the stand after you've assembled it and before you start adding guitars is less than 10 pounds. And that's all there is to it. A cheap, easy to assemble, lightweight guitar stand that will hold your guitars securely as you're working on them. So until the next episode, take care, and I'll see you soon.